A Christmas Carol, a ghost story of Christmas.
Chapter 10
Chapter
Fun
10,
and
Fun
Games.
and Games. Haha!
At first,
At
Scrooge
first,
saw only
Scrooge saw
blackness,
only
but then
blackness,
the
but
sound of a
then the
man's
sound of a
laughter
man's
rang out.
laughter rang out.
That laugh
That laugh
sounds
sounds
familiar.
familiar,
Scrooge thought.
Scrooge thought.
Soon his vision
Soon his
cleared, and
vision
he saw
cleared,
that he was
and he
in a bright
saw that he
room
was
filled
in
with
a
people.
bright room filled
His
with people.
nephew,
His
Fred, was
nephew,
holding his
Fred,
belly,
was holding his
laughing
belly,
heartily.
laughing heartily.
His laughter was
His laughter was
contagious, and soon his
contagious,
wife
and
started
soon
laughing
his
too.
wife started laughing too.
So did the other people
So did the
gathered in the
other
room,
people
adults
gathered in
and
the room,
children alike.
adults and children alike.
He said that
He
Christmas
said
was a
that Christmas
humbug and
was a
dismissed
humbug
me.
and dismissed
Fred
me.
said.
Fred said,
Can you believe it?
"Can you believe it?"
That's what I said
That's what I
earlier.
said
Scrooge
earlier,
realized.
Scrooge realized.
Was Fred talking
Was
about
Fred
him?
talking about him?
I can believe he'd
I
say
can
those
believe
things,
he said
his
those
wife
things.
said,
His
her
wife said,
laughter
her
fading.
laughter fading.
That man can't see the
That
good in
man can't
anything.
see the good in anything.
Scrooge was startled to
Scrooge
hear
was
Fred's
startled
wife
to hear
insult
Fred's
him that
wife
way,
insult him
as she
that
was
way,
generally a
as she was
kind and polite
generally a
woman.
kind and polite woman.
He's a comical old
He's a
fellow, that's
comical
the
old
truth.
fellow, that's
Fred
the
said.
truth, Fred
He's
said.
not as pleasant
He's
or as
not as
kind as
pleasant
he
or
could
as
be,
kind
that's
as he
for
could
sure.
be, that's for sure.
However, I try not to
However, I
judge
try not to
others.
judge others.
His wife's
His
sister
wife's
rolled her
sister
eyes.
rolled her eyes.
I'll judge Ebenezer
I'll just
Scrooge for
Ebenezer
you then.
Scrooge for you then.
His only good
His only
quality
good
is his
quality is
wealth.
his wealth.
Fred shrugged.
Fred shrugged.
My uncle's wealth
My
is of
uncle's
no
wealth
use to him.
is of no use to him.
He doesn't do
It
any good
doesn't
with it.
do anything
He
any
doesn't
good with
even
it.
make himself
It
comfortable
doesn't
with it.
it even make him comfortable with it.
He lives in that
He
small,
lives in
dreary
a
apartment
small,
and
dreary
hoards his
apartment
money,
and
which can't
hoards his
possibly
money,
make him
which
happy.
can possibly make him happy.
I have no
I
patience
have
with
no
him,
patience
his
with
wife
him,
said.
his wife said.
Her sister and
Her
several
sister and
others nodded
several
their
others
agreement.
nodded their agreement.
Fred smiled at
Fred
them.
smiled.
I feel sorry
I
for
feel
him, which
sorry
means I
for him,
can't stay
which means
very
I can
angry with him.
stay very angry
I
with
mean,
him.
who
I
suffers
mean,
from his
who
bad
suffers
temper?
from his
He
bad
does.
temper? He does.
For example, he
For
has
example,
decided to dislike
he
us,
has
so he
decided to
won't come and
dislike
dine
us,
with us
so
even
he
on
won't come and
Christmas.
dine with us, even on
What's the
Christmas.
consequence?
What's the consequence?
He misses out
He
on a
misses
good
out
dinner
on
and
a
some
good
pleasant
dinner and
moments that he
some
might actually
pleasant
enjoy.
moments that he might actually enjoy.
Your uncle's company
Your
might
uncle's
do
company
us
might do
harm.
A
us
young man
harm,
called
a
out,
young man
which
called
made
out,
several other
which makes
guests
several
laugh
other
again.
guests laugh again.
I give my poor old
I
uncle the
give my
same
poor
invitation every year.
old uncle the same invitation every year,
Fred
Fred
said.
said,
Whether he likes it or
whether he
not.
likes
I
it or
certainly
not.
don't make his
I
mood any
certainly
worse by
don't make
showing up at his
his
office.
mood any worse by showing up at his
His wife nodded.
office. His wife
That's
nodded.
true.
That's true.
His mood is
His
always
mood is
foul.
always foul.
It's a shame that your
It's a
kindness, though,
shame that
doesn't
your kindness,
inspire him to
though,
help his poor
doesn't
clerk
inspire
sometime.
him to help his poor clerk sometime.
Speaking of Bob Cratchit, I saw
Speaking
him
of
earlier
Bob
today.
Cratchit,
Fred said.
I saw him earlier
He
today,
was
Fred
carrying
said.
that little son
He
of
was
his, the one
carrying
they
that
call Tiny
little
Tim.
son of his, the one they call Tiny Tim.
Oh, that poor
Oh,
boy,
that poor
a woman
boy,
said.
a woman said.
He's been sickly
He's
since
been
the day he was
sickly
born.
since the
But
day
he's
he was
such a
born.
sweet
But he's
child.
such a sweet child.
Indeed, he is.
Indeed he is.
Fred shook his
Fred
head.
shook his head.
Today, Tiny Tim couldn't
Today,
stop
Tiny Tim
talking
couldn't
about
stop
seeing the
talking
ice
about
skaters in the
seeing the
park,
ice skaters in the park.
and he told me all
He
about a
told
big
me all
turkey in
about
one
a
of the
big
shops.
turkey in one
Fred
of the
smiled
shops.
briefly before
Fred
his
smiled
expression went
briefly
serious
before his
again.
expression went serious
Tiny
again.
Tim didn't look
Tiny
well.
Tim didn't look well.
I fear the boy
I
doesn't
fear the
have long
boy
to
doesn't
live.
have long to live.
His wife turned to
His
gaze
wife
at her
turned to
own
gaze
children,
at
who were
their own
playing at the
children
other end of the
who were
room.
playing at the other end of the room.
Oh no,
Oh
she
no,
said
she
softly.
said
She brushed away a
softly.
few
She
tears before
brushed away a
turning
few
back to the
tears before
others.
turning back to the
Fred,
others.
we've turned things
Fred,
far too
we've turned
solemn for
things
Christmas.
far too sudden for
Let's have
Christmas.
some
Let's
fun.
have some fun.
Scrooge watched as the
Scrooge
group
watched
played
as
music
the
and
group
sang
played
songs together.
music and sang songs together.
After that, everyone
After
played
that,
games,
everyone
with the
played
children
games with
joining
the
in.
children joining.
Scrooge had always been
Scrooge
impatient
had
with
always
games, which he
been
considered a
impatient with
waste of
games,
time.
which he considered a waste of time. But tonight, he couldn't stop himself from smiling as Fred and his guests enjoyed themselves. One of the games was called Yes and No. Fred announced that he was thinking of something and that the others had to figure out what it was. However, he could only answer their questions with a simple yes or no.
Are you thinking of a
Are you
beast?
thinking of a beast? A tall woman called out.
Yes.
Yes, Fred replied.
Is
Is it something we might serve for dinner?
No.
No.
Is it a savage?
Is it a savage animal?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it grunt?
Does it grunt?
Yes.
Yes. Is it scary? A child asked with a shiver.
Yes.
Yes.
I know who it is.
I know who it is.
Fred's
Fred's sister-in-law clapped her hands in great. I
I
know exactly the beast you are thinking of, Fred. It's your Uncle Scrooge. Everyone at the party, including Fred, burst into loud laughter. But Scrooge frowned. Fred's sister-in-law had just called him a scary beast.